Running a successful club requires a solid understanding of finances. One of the best ways you can get organized both on and off the field is by whipping up a smart budget. So, what is a budget? A budget is a financial plan prepared in advance for a set period and looks at the future of the club. Your club may need one overall budget, or budgets for different squads, or different functions within a club, like merchandise, hospitality, or wages. They can help you answer questions, estimate future revenue, and make plans for growth. So let's make a budget. Step 1. Identify the club's objectives. If the club is a small community club relying on donations, then a major objective could be to ensure donations keep coming. If your club is a little bigger and is preparing to establish a new women's team, for example, your objective might be to generate enough profit to cover the expenses of new kits and training equipment. Step 2. Calculate income. Consider things like registration fees, which is any money you get from players who pay to be part of a team. This is potentially the main source of cash for your club. Next, ticket sales. This is most likely the first consideration for a larger club. For a smaller club, ticket sales could be nominal. Moving on, sponsorships. Your club may receive money from sponsorships, either from one-off events like an exhibition match or through an ongoing relationship where logos are added to your kit. Another line in the budget, hospitality services. This may not apply to every club, but will need to be included if you have a hospitality outlet that sells food and drink. Next, any sales of merchandise. Does your club sell kits, hats, scarves, or other types of branded products? If this isn't your first year in business, check figures from last year to help guide this estimate. And finally, fundraising activities. These could include any funds you receive through holding events or calling for donations via social media. Step 3. The expenses. Firstly, wages. Who do you have to pay to keep the club running? Next, any costs for facilities, which is most likely hiring a field or a clubhouse. Moving on, equipment. If this is your club's first budget, this might be quite a significant investment. You'll need new kits, balls, and training equipment. Next, travel expenses. Consider fuel, vehicle hire, and even overnight accommodation for those really long away days. Add a line for match day costs. Things like hiring referees or stewards if they aren't covered by any fees you pay to be included in a league. Next, hospitality costs and merchandise costs. Factor in how much it costs to stock those fridges and to make shirts, hats, and so on. And it's worth having a contingency for basic repairs and maintenance, plus any unexpected costs that may come up. So that's the basics of a club budget. But remember, this is just the beginning. Monitor the real-life figures against your budget, and if things don't quite line up, make changes to help get your club back on track. A budget is just one of the many financial reports you need to ensure success on and off the field. If you're looking for a bit more information, check out our other club resources or videos on profit and loss statements, balance sheets, gross profit, and many more in our Business Basics playlist.